Hey guys, Ryan here at Skyway Classics, and today we have a 68 RS SS Silver Camaro, and I'm gonna start it up here for y'all. This thing is in perfect condition. As you can see, it has the very rare special TikTok dash, 4-speed transmission. This thing is a beautiful car.
YouTubers, and good morning. This is Ryan Combs, the YouTuber from Skyway Classic, and let me tell you, we are in a 1968, I think it is, yeah, 1968
Yes, sir.
RS SS, rated 350 motor, 4-speed, got all the proper dash components that you don't see a lot in these cars, Ryan. A TikTok dash and a SS, kind of cool. So that's a clock and the tack all in one. They call it a TikTok dash. But this has to be, out of the 40 or 50 Camaros that we've sold so far this year, number 5 or 6, I would say. Just the condition, the paint, the shifting, the drivability, the solidness of the car, incredible. So what we're going to do is just take us a quick little spin around the block, throw her up on the hoist so you can see how nice she is underneath, and then get it online.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that nice? I mean, look at the dashboard in the car. The chrome on the hood, the hood scoop and stuff. Really nice. No cracks. Everything's in good shape. The headliner, I don't know if you got a shot of that. Really nice. And all the gauges work. Your speedometer, odometer, your fuel gauge, our charging system gauge.
Smooth transmission.
Yeah, really smooth on the